Welcome to my channel. Wavlink router AP mode setup. Convert router to access point easily. Step 1. Connect main router to Wavlink. Use an Ethernet cable and connect your main router's LAN port to the Wavlink router's LAN port. This will share internet to the AP. Step 2. Power on the router. Plug in your Wavlink router and wait for 1-2 minutes until all lights become stable. Step 3. Connect to Wavlink Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop and connect to the default Wavlink network. Step 4. Open setup page. Open any browser and type 192.168.10.1 or AP to setup in the address bar. Step 5. Log in to router. Enter the default username and password, usually admin, or check the router label. Step 6. Go to operation mode. After login, find operation mode working mode option in settings. Step 7. Select access point, AP mode. Choose AP mode and click next or apply. Step 8. Set Wi-Fi name and password. Enter your desired Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Tip: keep same name and password as main router for seamless roaming. Step 9. Disable DHCP. Important. Make sure DHCP is off in most routers. It auto-disables in AP mode. Step 10. Save and restart. Click Save, Apply, and let the router reboot. After restart, your AP setup is complete. Thanks for watching.